All right, let's try and make this drill work.
Okay.
This is not about strength. This is not about winning. This is not about hitting. This is about learning to feel. So you're going to be very light. So I'm going to go to the inside. He's going to go with the same amount of effort out and under the outside and stop. Then he's going to go to the inside, on top on the inside, boom. And we're just going to do this over and over again. And we just want to get used to that feel. Okay? That's all we want to do is get used to that feel. Don't lift that, don't. Yeah, Andre, for right now, I want you to do this. Make sure there's a hand there. And then take your other hand and just put your finger on your elbow so that it doesn't move. The whole idea, yeah, is you flow with, when you feel the person going to make the move, you flow with it. You're not trying to fight it. You're not trying to resist it. You're not trying to push through it. You're not trying to make it not happen. You're trying to just feel that it's happening and respond when it happens. Don't let that elbow lift up. So, when you feel me go inside, you want to go outside. You're not trying to defeat me, prevent me. You're just trying to feel it. You're going to stop it just like that. Then you're going to go inside. Now what's happening? You're guessing.
Yeah.
You're just guessing instead of feeling it.
Okay, wait for you to move.
And then
Okay, as soon as I feel you go.
as soon as you feel me go, you want to go. I don't want to go until you go. You don't want to go until I go. If I don't go, you guessing is my advantage.